Payday loans are now the most viable options undertaken by most people who are experiencing financial emergencies. It is a short-term loan that intends to handle an urgent need for cash until their subsequent payday. This new system of lending doesn't involve a credit check, which is a very good privilege for debtors with bad credit. The application for this kinds of loans are usually done online just over the internet. What makes this loaning convenient is the promptness of the depositing of money into the debtor's bank account, which is approximately 24 hours or sometimes even less. To explain further, Teletrack is a method that is employed to examine the applicant's credit history and checking account. This system exposes to the loan agency the applicant's flaw in his credit history, such as outstanding checks in opposition to current loans, any imminent court judgments, files for bankruptcy, and any other related problems with the credit history. These loan agencies don't have the exigency to authenticate the information imparted by the prospective borrowers, since payday loans do not encompass large sum of money other than the fact that these are only short-term loans. Payday loan agencies suggest instant cash advance for a temporary period, typically ranging from 2 to 3 weeks. In comparison to traditional loan companies, payday loan agencies offer higher interest rates in order to give a faster service and to cover any risk that may be encountered in that procedure. Applying for a no Teletrack payday loan, the only thing needed is to accomplish a form containing personal data, employment facts, and selected bank account of the borrower. Some lenders who offer no Teletrack payday loans obligate the borrower to fax some documents like the most recent paycheck, a copy of the driver's license, or a bank statement or an electricity bill. In order to be eligible for this kind of loan, you must be a U.S. citizen over 18 years of age and must be a full employee of a certain company. Some lenders obligate that you should be employed with the identical firm for the past 6 months. Others require a minimum monthly income of $1,000 with all the taxes already deducted. These loans also necessitate checking or a savings account that has a debit service. Since the process is apparently easy and simple, that checking your credit rating is uncalled for, therefore giving you a probability of almost 100% to be approved. As soon as your application is approved, you can immediately and directly get your money transferred into your checking account. In lieu of these no Teletrack payday loans, you won't have to worry about rigid timelines because everything is subject to your decision. Not to mention that you can take advantage of applying for it at perfectly any time you would want to. Issues on repayment. Repayment of your loan is indicated on your application form, but usually if the time when you get to accept your next paycheck. The lending companies instantly debit the fund and the fee from your account. In the event that you would need more time to repay your loan, you can always ask for an extension few days preceding the automatic debit. Early payment though is advised so as not to accumulate any added fees. This kind of loan could be a savior but also a burden if not paid on time.